Hello everyone, hope you're doing all well. So today I bring you some Asian style noodles with curry, chicken and veggies. So let's go. We're gonna need some chicken, curry, glass noodles, some veggies, gochujang. It's spicy if you want to, of course. We're gonna cut it all into eatable pieces, julienne of onion, some minced garlic, etc. Here are also. So first of all, we're gonna stir fry, saute more than saute our spring onion, the white part, garlic, and ginger. Just gonna add a little bit of gochujang, which is the spices, the Korean spicy paste, which is I like it. Yeah, I'm just gonna mix it all together until it gets a little bit well mixed together. Yeah, look, just like that. A little bit of oil, of course. Yeah, and we are gonna lower our heat. Add a little bit of curry so that it takes the first flavor of it. And now we are gonna add our chicken. Yeah, you can use different kind of chicken if you want a whole chicken, etc. I'm using just chicken strips here. Yeah, so we are just gonna mix it that the chicken get condimented, the condiments, the flavors on it. Yeah, just as you see here in the video. And now we are gonna add our onions. Just this is very easy. And parallel, you are cooking your glass noodles. I forgot to mention it. If you see the top left corner, you will see the pot where I'm cooking the glass noodles. Yeah, it takes also 5 minutes, so you have to consider this is a very speedy dish. Yeah. After we mix together our onion with the chicken, yeah, we are gonna add a little bit of soy sauce and also a little bit of fish sauce so that we enhance the flavors. Yeah, this is just around 1.5 or 1 teaspoon tablespoon of soy sauce. I'm using dark soy sauce for it. And on the other side we'll use like around 1 tablespoon also of fish sauce. Yeah, just a little bit. After, you can always don't add too much at the beginning. Yeah, remember that it's salty, the soy sauce is salty, so you have to be careful with it. Yeah, we add a little bit of fish sauce. We are mixing all together that it got the flavors. The chicken gets cooked because the veggies is gonna be just a matter of 1 or 2 minutes, and that's it. Yeah, so far we are almost with our glass noodle. We are done. Then we add our veggies and we start mixing it. It's just a matter of 1 minute, I'd say. Just we want them crunchy, we want them the consistency, so don't overcook them. Yeah, so now we are here, just almost ready. We are gonna add a little bit of curry, yeah, to the whole pan. And now we are gonna add our glass noodle, you see. And you can almost now turn off the heat or lower the heat down so that you don't get burned and don't overcook your veggies. Yeah, so then you add your glass noodles. Personally, I will cut them a little bit. Yeah, which is make it easier to cut them, to move and to get all together just with a scissor. Just few cuts. That is just a matter of to be comfortable to make it. So just mix them all together. Try again the salt. Maybe you can add a little bit of fish sauce. Maybe you can add a little bit of soy sauce, a little bit of spicy. It's just basically up to you. When we're just so far now, we're gonna add our red bell peppers. We turn off the heat almost now, or we lowered it down. You see, I got it done. And then we are ready to serve our dish. Just like this, I am gonna top it with some fresh coriander, and of course you can add some roast onion on top of it, or if you don't like coriander, just leave it like it is. So everyone, I hope you like it. If you are so far till here, I hope you leave your like, your comment. Just subscribe to the channel. It does help us a lot, the creators, the content creator, a lot. And I hope you like the journey, and take care and wish you a nice day. So look, not bad, very easy, speedy and yummy. So See you in the next video. Take care.